In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off two-step verification on GoDaddy. If you need to disable this setting for your GoDaddy account, I'll walk you through the process in a simple and clear way so you can follow along without any confusion. Before you begin, make sure you're already signed in to your GoDaddy account, since you'll need access to your profile and account settings to make this change. Once you're on the GoDaddy website and logged in, start by opening your account area. Look for your profile section, usually located near the top of the page. Click on your profile and then choose Account Settings. This is where GoDaddy keeps the main controls for your account preferences, personal settings, and security options. After that, find and click Security. This section contains the settings related to how your account is protected, including sign-in verification features. If you don't immediately see everything on the page, take a moment to scroll down slowly so you don't miss the option you need. Keep scrolling until you find the setting for two-step verification. Once you locate it, you should see a toggle or switch next to it. To turn off two-step verification, simply toggle that setting off. In some cases, GoDaddy may ask you to confirm the change before it's fully disabled. If that happens, just follow the on-screen prompt to complete the update. It's a good idea to read the message on the screen carefully before confirming, because turning off two-step verification reduces the extra layer of protection on your account. This feature is designed to help keep unauthorized users out, even if they somehow know your password. So, if you're disabling it temporarily, make sure you remember to turn it back on later if you want stronger account security. Once the toggle is turned off and the change is saved, two-step verification will be disabled for your GoDaddy account. At that point, you can exit the settings page or continue managing any other account preferences you need. That's all you need to do. Open GoDaddy, go to your profile, click Account Settings, select Security, scroll down, and toggle off two-step verification. If you found this walkthrough helpful, you can replay it and follow each part at your own pace while making the change on your account.